Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something crucial for every RV owner, RV maintenance. Think of your RV as your home on wheels. And just like any home, it needs a little love and attention to stay safe, comfortable, and ready for adventure. Now I know maintenance might not sound like the most thrilling topic, but trust me, a little proactive effort goes a long way. Regular RV maintenance is about safety, reliability, longevity, and avoiding costly repairs. Let's begin with the chassis. Check your tire pressure regularly. Do this monthly or before every trip using a reliable gauge. Proper inflation saves on fuel and prevents blowouts. Look at your RV manufacturer's recommended pressure inside your driver door. Inspect your tire for wear and damage. Look for cracks, bulges, uneven wear, or foreign objects. If you find any, we strongly recommend replacing the tire as soon as possible. Check engine oil. Check regularly and change according to Mercedes-Benz A and B services. Check DEF fluid. Check regularly and add additional fluid upon notification on your Mercedes dash. Test your lights. Headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signal, marker lights, all need to be working for safety and legality. Do a quick walkthrough around before each trip. Inspect your wipers. Check the blades for cracks or streaks. Visibility is key. Now let's talk about all the systems that make a comfortable living space. Clean your fresh water tank. Keep it clean, especially if you store water for extended periods. Sanitize gray water periodically using a gallon of bleach/water solution. Drain your water heater. Drain and flush annually to remove sediment. Check your water pump by listening to unusual noises. Examine pipes and connections. Regularly remove filters in both interior shower and sink to remove sediment buildup. For your Rixon heating system, periodically check all connections for leaks. Run your heater at least once a month all year to ensure good functionality. Ensure tanks are securely mounted and hoses are in good condition. For your electrical system, plug in to shore power whenever you can. Don't let your batteries sit discharged for long periods of time. Inspect your cords and plugs for damage or overheating. Now let's talk about appliances. Check your refrigerator. Keep vents clear, clean fridge periodically. Don't let ice build up. And if ice does build up, defrost it. Clean your air conditioner. Clean vents and surrounding area. Run AC at least once per month to ensure proper functionality. Inspect your roof and sealants. This is your first line of defense against leaks. At least once a year, ideally twice, get on the roof and inspect all seams, vents, and skylights for cracks, peeling, and signs of wear. Reseal as needed. Use your RV-specific sealant or bring it to an RV professional. Check your awning. Keep them clean and ensure they retract and extend smoothly. Store them clean and dry. Now let's talk about general RV care and prevention. These are general habits that will extend your RV's life. Stay on top of cleaning. Regular cleaning, inside and out, isn't just an aesthetic. It helps spot potential issues early. Keep an eye out for insects and rodents, especially when storing your RV outside. Make sure you're winterizing and de-winterizing. If you live in a cold climate, proper winterization is a non-negotiable to prevent frozen pipes and expensive damage. Learn the process or have it professionally done. Keep good documentation. Keep your RV manuals organized. Create a maintenance log to track what you've done and when. Carry tools. Carry basic tools, fuses, and common spare parts. You never know when you need to fix something on the road. Now, I know this might seem like a lot, but the good news is that much of this is fairly simple to do yourself with a little guidance. Don't be intimidated. Start with the basics. Tackle one thing at a time and don't hesitate to consult a qualified RV technician for anything you're unsure about. If you are an off-highway van customer, you can bring your van in for your yearly service inspection and we'll take care of all these things for you. Happy trails and safe travels. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.